What's up guys, welcome back to ConstantlyVariedFitness. I have my buddy Rodrick with me today. We're gonna give you guys a quick tip for the rope climb to maximize your efficiency on it and not waste a lot of energy when it comes to the rope climb. So what I see a lot of athletes do is when they go to their rope climbs, no matter how they're doing it, whatever their technique is, they try to get their feet up as high as they can, but they're not really getting up as truly as high as they possibly could to maximize their pull. So what I see a lot of people do is they'll reach up and they get their knees high and then they set. And then, yeah, they get a good amount of the distance up the rope, but they end up wasting a lot of energy versus what I would have them do is, think of it like a toes to bar. Get your body behind you, get your hips up as high as you can, and then set your feet. So when Rodrick does that, he's out of the frame. So essentially, again, it's not just you raising your knees. Your coach might yell at you and say, hey, get your feet higher, and you're like, yeah, this is as high as I can get them, I can't get any higher. Lean back like you're doing a toes to bar, so that way you're getting your hips higher, your feet higher, and you'll be able to set and take less pulls to get up the rope. Because it shouldn't be taking you 3, 4, 5 pulls unless you're like 3.5 feet tall. But if that's not you, maximize your pulls on the rope. If you guys have any questions or comments on the rope climb, make sure to leave them down below. We'll get right back to you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for any more. We'll see you guys next time.